stories. Life is full of stories. Learn from the stories of life. Your life will change for better. Your life will change for better. Your life will change for better.
One day, Monique, a businesswoman, approached her uncle's friend, Mr. Raphael, who was the chief executive officer of Bluestone Multimillion Investment Company Limited, for a contract. They both went through the business proposal briefly. Mr. Raphael then gave another date for a full discussion, although he was very positive towards the business proposal. As a result, Monique approached two of her friends, Jacqueline and Evelyn. The three friends set up the Three Jolly Friends, a partnership business. The three friends went to meet Mr. Raphael, the CEO of Bluestone Multimillion Investment Company Limited, to submit their business proposal. He congratulated them as they won the contract. Monique, Evelyn, and Jacqueline executed the contract and made a lot of profit. They were very happy and celebrated their success. Few months after, Evelyn and Jacqueline sidetracked Monique, opened a new bank account, and used the same partnership company, Three Jolly Friends, and went back to Mr. Raphael, the CEO of Bluestone Multimillion Investment Company Limited, and pretended as if Monique was aware of their plan. Immediately, Mr. Raphael called Monique on the phone to find out whether she was aware of the second business proposal. Monique told Mr. Raphael that she was not aware, so Mr. Raphael immediately said to Jacqueline and Evelyn, "I don't deal with unfaithful, treacherous people like you. Please get out of my office before I lose my temper." Mr. Raphael sent them out of his office with annoyance. Both Evelyn and Jacqueline went back to Monique to ask for forgiveness. Moral lesson: God frowns at unfaithfulness. Being unfaithful can make you to lose things that will benefit you in life. This can be found in the book of Ezekiel, chapter 15, verse 8. Also, in 1 Chronicles, chapter 10, verse 13, Saul died because he was unfaithful to the Lord. He failed to obey the Lord's command. In Acts 5, from verse 1 to 11, Ananias and Sapphira lied to the Holy Spirit and they died. Life is full of stories. Learn from the stories of life. Your life will change for better.